Hello, I am Dr. Jagdish Sangvikar from VPSC College Baramati. As a part of an ICT project, I am going to explain while loops in Python. These are the points to be discussed. While loops in Python, loop manipulation using pass, continue, break and else. Use of while loops in Python. While loop is executed as long as the given condition is true. This is the syntax. While expression, the statements, single statement of or group of statements. So this is the flowchart symbol of while loop, flowchart structure of flow construct of the while loop. As long as this condition is true, this conditional code or block will be executed. If the condition is false, the control will come out of the loop. So when we don't know the exact number of repetitions of the loop, we should use the while loop. Example of while loop: count equal to 1, while count less than 10, print count equal to count plus 1. So this will print value of count till it reaches to 10. When the above code is executed, it gives the result all the values from 1 to 10. Using else statement with while loop, Python supports to have else statement associated with while loop. The example will show each and everything. Count equal to 0, while condition count less than 5, print count is less than 5, count equal to count plus 1, else print execute this statement. So it will print 0 less than 5, 1 less than 5, 2 less than 5. So when count reaches 5, that is 5 less than 5, this will become false and it will print count is not less than 5. Likewise, it will print 5 is not less than 5. Loop manipulation using pass, continue, break and else. So there are situations where we have to take control out of the loop immediately depending upon a certain condition. The break statement in Python terminates the loop. This is similar to break found in C. So here use of break: I equal to 1 while I less than 9, print I if I equal to 3. If value of I is 3, then break the control out of the loop. Otherwise, I equal to I plus 1. So this will print the values up to 1, 2, 3. 3 will be printed and after 3 control will come out of the loop. That means it will not print 4, 5, 6 up to 9 or 8. Okay. The continue statement. When we want to bypass certain group of statement and we have to go to the top of the loop, we have to go to the beginning of the loop, then we have to use the continue statement. Example: I equal to 0 while I less than 9, I equal to I plus 1, if I equal to 3, continue. Otherwise, print I. So if I equal to 3 means don't print I when value of I is 3, go to the beginning of the loop. So when this code will be executed, it will print this output. So in this 3 is not present at that time, continue is encountered. Pass statements. Pass means do nothing. Pass is a null operation. So here for letter in Python, this is a string. If letter equal to h, then simply pass, do nothing. So this will print just this is a pass block. Okay, rather output is python, python. So if the letter is h, we are in pass block and I am just printing this is a pass block. And lastly, goodbye. This is the goodbye one. Thank you.